Springs. Okay, this is the only resort that we've never like stepped foot on. So this is our first time ever being here, and it's big. It's awesome. It's pretty cool. Like, if it's just one of those oddballs that we've never been to it, never ate dinner here, never. I mean, we've been by it on the boat, but it's pretty cool. We'll hopefully explore and go into the pool areas and all that fun stuff later. But here's our like first impression room tour. We just got in. It's still a 2024 marathon weekend, and this is our second resort of our stay. So get into it. Here's the entryway. Not much here, just a mirror and just a small entrance area. And here's our bathroom. Here's the shower, bathtub shower. Nice tile work. Here's the, pretty sure it's still the H2O soap that they just put a sticker on. That's where we're at in that story. Here's the kitchenette area. Mini fridge. We've already put some stuff in. You know, sink, dishwashing soap, kind of typical DVC, like villa. Here's the bathroom area. Sink, some drawers to put some stuff. And next to that is a closet that we have full of luggage, if I can get it open. You know, extra pillow, blanket, ironing board, vacuum, sweeper. Here's the in-the-wall safe. Heading out of the bathroom area, bathroom and closet area. Here's like the utility closet that we can't get into, and then here's like the main bedroom. It's a place to sit down, put your shoes on. Got some storage drawers. Here's the main bed. Looks like it's like a queen size. And it does have under the bed storage for suitcases and whatnot. Here's the drawers. And it has these, I really like these lights. It's got your typical plug-in plus USB. Look at the theming. So Saratoga Springs, obviously known for like horse racing and stuff. So there's a lot of horse themes. The main lobby has murals of horses all around it. Here's a look at the pool area right outside our like balcony, not really balcony, but walkout area. And you can see it's like the race stalls for horses. There's horses out there that are fountains. Hopefully do some pool exploring after that. Here's our TV and like dresser area. Plenty of drawers, storage space. And here's our second time seeing the Disney Alexa. Which is kind of neat. You can ask it for weather, or what's going on, or what time's fireworks. There's a map of where we're at. This is like the main building area, and we're just over here. So it's a pretty short walk. Lots of golf courses around. There's a lot of people playing golf. It looks beautiful. Treehouse villas, so you can see if you ever take the boat from like Old Key West or Port Orleans, any of those places, you go by these. It's really cool to see that. And then Disney Springs is over here. But you can see how large this is. All Saratoga Springs. So hopefully we'll get to Treehouse Villas someday. Do a video on that. Yeah, pretty cool. Large resort. Here is the bed. Before we show you the Murphy bed, I thought this was pretty cool. Like if you're sitting down, this folds up. You got storage space in there. If you want to put stuff in there, I guess. But if you want to sit down and eat, you got a nice little table to sit at. And there's Kara and the two youngest boys. They're out getting ready to go to Magic Kingdom after this, I think. So anyways, I'm gonna set this Murphy bed up. It's easy as that. Put some pillows on there. See the artwork. Saratoga Springs Stables. Pretty cool. Obviously we have a ground floor, but we're really close to the pool, really close to the main building. It has multiple bus stop loop. So you can kind of get everywhere. There's multiple pools to go to and check out, multiple places to eat. Obviously, if you want to golf, this is a really good place to go golf. So we're really impressed with it so far. It's about what you'd expect from a deluxe resort, and we look forward to checking it out and exploring. Here is the barbecue area where you can like cook on this grill over here, and that is the back side of our room. And here is the pool, just for like we're staying at the grandstand, so the grandstand area. Definitely everything over here is going to be race themed, horse racing themed. It's still a little early and a little cold, so there's nobody out. Oh, somebody. Hot tub. Here's like the big pool for this area. And over there you can see that they've got, when it's open, they'll have drinks and some snacks and some other food items you can buy. Pretty cool. They have locker rooms back there, laundry's over there, place to get towels, stuff like that. And we'll keep going.
Hey.
It's the golf course and stuff.
Yeah. That the golf course looks pretty dang cool because you just golf with the right from the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Boat transportation this way. Like the clubhouse, get golf carts, pro shop.
This takes you all the way over there.
Yeah, this is the boat ramp. It'll take you to Disney Springs.
Nice.
Or maybe Treehouse Villas too. I can go a bunch of different places. There's the restaurant. And then behind that is Artist Palette. There's all sorts of stuff. Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
They'll have that out for races sometimes. You just peek. Tennis courts. Don't do that. It is sandy. Pretty cool. Not something you usually see at a resort.
Yeah.
Some of the stuff you can do. You did the High Rock Spring Pool and Paddock Pool, right? Some of those pools.
Huh?
They're a really good water slide. I went and checked out the community hall. You can do all sorts of stuff, play video games, rent DVDs, get board games. We wanted to do a bike, but I don't think we're going to have time to do a bike. We wanted to go see the Treehouse Villas.
Wait, what bike?
You can rent bikes here. Next time, right? Mickey's face. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Over there is a fitness center up top, and down below is a Senses Spa. The spa's closed, but I did check out the fitness area.
Last night I was on that pool.
Yeah, that was the pool you were in. It was the big water slide. What did you think of the water slide?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, we should have YouTube videos.
Yeah, we should have
It
YouTubed
wasn't
it.
really dark in there.
Over here is the arcade.
Yeah, it didn't have
And
a
the
tube like this. It
community
didn't have a tube
hall.
like circle. Didn't have a circle tube.
What kind of tube did it have?
It had like a tube like this, but
Alright.
the top was cut off.
We can go look at that too. We'll go to the pool.
Pretty fun.
Here's the community center. Arts and crafts, and you can rent equipment to play these games. Let's see if we can get into the pool.
That water slide is actually fun.
Fun water slide.
Yeah.
There's a hot tub over there. There's another hot tub over here.
Kind of a short one. There's the walk-in.
Here's the on the rocks. It's closed right now, but pool bar. There's a Senses Spa that I pointed out earlier. There's the water slide.
I went on that water slide last night.
You sure did. Up there is the main building. There's a two dining spots, and we'll check that out too. Now you can go.
Here's the walk-in.
Except you were running in last night, weren't you?
Yeah.
The zero entry. Over there's waterfalls, and it says there's an interactive water feature. Here's like a mini slide that's down right now. And that's where the big water slide comes out.
Yeah, I did that last night.
How many times do you think you did it?
Oh!
Sure is windy. Let's go inside.
Yeah. Main lobby?
No, this is the restaurant, right? So there's the Turf Club Bar and Grill, and here is Artist Palette. What'd you eat last night?
Caesar salad and a cookie, a sugar cookie, what looked like an artist palette.
How was it?
Good. I still haven't finished it because it's gigantic.
Alright, let's go in and see what we can see.
Here's a waterfall. All the water comes from right there. It's like a little tree
That's
down.
where all the water comes for the waterfalls, you're right. Pretty good kind of look of the pool.
Yeah. Here. See? See the top is cut off of the pool? Well, not the pool, the water slide, see?
Uh-huh.
Kind of hard to see for the YouTube.
Want to go in here and look around? Remember the name?
Busy Pegasus?
Good job! You want to explain to them all around? Or no?
You have like a little TV here.
TV for kids area.
Yeah. And there's like little tables. I don't know. You put a cover on, I don't know. They have like little houses over here.
You want to take it and tell them stuff or no?
I don't have it.
Yeah, you can tell them all you want.
It's like all of the horses. It's kinda. There's actually a lot of horses.
Guys, have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
There's like the horse ride thing, whatever.
Want me to take a picture with you on the side of it?
No, you can use it.
Okay.
I don't know how to do that.
I don't think you can just stand on the side. Or you can get up in there. What do you think? Pretty comfy?
Yeah, you should climb it in. It's very comfy.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. It's actually way too comfy. This is where you get all the luggage from. There's like little scooters to drive you around on and to give you luggage. And, I don't know. Me and my mom were going to do this to get to our hotel room.
You don't want to walk in there?
Yeah, I want to walk in too. Yeah. Most of it part of the resort is like probably the room. The room's cool because you have like a little stool, and then you can just push up on it, and then you can just put stuff inside of it, and you can just eat and you can just eat on top of it, and then you can just shut it, and then your stuff stays inside, and you can still eat on the top of it.
Pretty cool, right? What do you think about the fold-down bed? Is that pretty neat? Pretty comfy?
But you have to move like the stool.
Yeah. What do you think of the view of where we're at? You like seeing people golf?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
We should show them that little.
We did. I showed them this morning a little bit. I will say this is probably my favorite resort dining hall. The food was awesome. See if we can get out of this wind a little bit. Hopefully it's not too windy.
Yeah.
I was gonna say this is my favorite place, like resort I've ever dined at. That had I think it was called beef on weck. It was a brisket sandwich, and that was really good. Kara got the garlic shrimp, and the vegetables with it were amazing.
Every time I was here, I just got Caesar salad.
You just got Caesar salad. It was good though, right?
Yeah.
Dad,
and I got like that, whatever soup.
you got soup?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Like at that place in, what Disney Castle is? Where I got like clam soup.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Columbia Harbor House.
What?
Columbia Harbor House.
What was the soup called?
New England clam chowder.
Yeah, clam chowder.
We got a pizza last night from here. This place has like, I don't know if it's wood burning, but it's like one of those pizza ovens, like in the wall, and like they cook the pizza to order, so it's fresh. It's really good. I don't think any resort that I know of does that, so that's like something really unique. Everybody was friendly. All the food was great. All the desserts. I had derby pie, which was amazing. He got the artist palette cookie.
Yeah, it's delicious, but I still haven't finished it.
Still gotta finish it.
Yep.
They have charcuterie boards, like for like a food court experience. This was like over the top. I would recommend just coming here to eat. Like you're pretty much gonna pay the same prices no matter what food court, if it's art animation or pop or any of them. But I would come here if you can, because the food is amazing. Plus you can walk or boat to Old Key West. You got Treehouse Villas. It's a massive resort. You get around pretty easy because of the bus loop. I'm really happy with it. It's nice. Everything's clean, spread out. It's really cool to see all the like golf course areas. Yeah, had a good time.
Watching.
We'll see you later.
See you later. Dad, how many YouTubers does Bracken have?
Well, we're all on the same thing.
Oh yeah, how many YouTubers do we have?
I don't know.
A lot, for sure.
Yeah.